When you open a new simulation file, it will start out in layout mode. Once the simulation has been run, it will be in analysis mode. Layout mode is the state of the file while the simulation is being set up and the simulation objects are being modified, and analysis mode is the state of the file after running the simulation when the simulation data is available to collect and analyze. Once the simulation has been run and the file is in analysis mode, it is no longer possible to modify the simulation setup properties such as the size or material of an object or the placement of a monitor, since the simulation results correspond to the current setup, and modifying the structures or monitors would cause the setup and the results to be inconsistent or out of sync with each other. In analysis mode, it is only possible to modify properties that would not cause the simulation results to need to be updated. For example, in analysis groups, which we'll cover in a following unit, the analysis scripts used to perform post-processing of monitor data does not affect the monitor results, so they can be changed. Because monitors contain data after running the simulation, when you save the simulation file in analysis mode, the resulting file size will be larger compared to if you saved the file in layout mode. In analysis mode, it's also possible to calculate additional results based on monitor data in post-processing, such as calculating the far-field projections from near-field frequency domain field monitors, or calculating analysis group results. And this additional data is also saved in the file, so it will add to the simulation file size. You can switch from analysis mode back to layout mode by using the Switch to Layout button in the simulation toolbar. This button toggles between the Run button while in layout mode and the Switch to Layout button while in analysis mode. Or you can edit an object and switch to layout from the Edit Window button. Once you switch from analysis mode to layout mode, all monitor data from running the simulation will be lost. However, as long as you don't resave the file, when you open a new instance of the file will still be in analysis mode with the monitor data. Once you save the file while in layout mode, you will not be able to recover the data from running the simulation, and you would need to rerun the simulation to get the results again. If you want to preserve the data, you can first export the data before switching back to layout mode, and then reload the data later. Data export options will be covered in detail in a following unit. In the next unit, we'll look at the design workflow for simulations.